So today we want to talk about sexual wellness and why that's important. I'm Dr. Christi, and I'm at Christi MD Medical Group.
And I'm Shannon, one of her physician assistants.
Shannon and we've been working together now for
almost 5 years.
I can't even believe it.
I know,
awesome.
It's been awesome.
Yeah. So being part of, part of urology and urogynecology, which is kind of the basis for what we do medically, a big part of that is sexual wellness.
Yeah.
And we see a huge need for that, right?
Absolutely. Yeah. A lot of times women will just come in and then they'll have a normal or regular urologic issue, and then it just always kind of gets to that point because you really can't talk about female health without diving into sexual health. And so it ends up just coming up. Low desire, pain with sex, they're so common, and a lot of times patients haven't had anybody to talk to about it.
Yeah, and it's a very common problem.
Absolutely.
I want to say it's around 60% of women have some sort of issue, whether it's, like you said, pain or lack of orgasm.
Absolutely.
Or dryness.
Right. And it changes throughout the lifespan too. I mean, we see people of all ages, and sometimes it happens later in life, sometimes it happens earlier in life, but a lot of the times it's distressing, and we don't really know where to go for it.
Yeah, exactly. And they don't know who to talk to about it. And it's not something we really learned in medical school that much. I mean, we learned a little bit about the sexual cycle as far as the desire, the arousal and all that stuff, all the way to orgasm. But we didn't, and there wasn't a lot of medicine, at least when I went through training, where we went into any solutions for the problems. It was all kind of like just psychological solutions. There wasn't much to offer.
Right.
And now we have a lot to offer, which I think is very exciting.
And I think another thing medically is a lot of times you focus on dysfunction, and there's a lot of ways to just enhance function.
Yeah, that's so true. That is such a great point. Yeah, because a lot of women, maybe they don't have pain or discomfort, but they're just not that into it. It's not that satisfying. It's very difficult to have an orgasm, or it's not that great.
Right.
And so I think it's important for women's health overall, and especially for relational health and just self-esteem, to feel great in that area.
Agree.
I think it's really good. So, I hope that our listeners will come and see us. Check us out on the web at medspa.christimd.com. We'd love to do a sexual wellness consultation for you. If you make an appointment, we're going to spend a good amount of time with you to go over all your various issues and do an examination and make some recommendations for you of what would help you the most.
Yeah.
Thanks, Shannon.
Thank you.